Hello, my friend. How are you? This is my second day of practicing spoken English. Before I start this video, I tell you, I didn't prepare anything. I speak whatever come in my mind. I speak. Today is my second day of practicing spoken English. I came to academy and today's class teacher taught me about daily routine, how to tell daily routine in front of interviewer uh, when they asked and when uh, and the when we start from giving greetings to them. Good morning, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak about my daily routine. My daily routine, as usual, as every day, I wake up at 5 a.m., brush my teeth, and answer nature's call. Then I go for morning walk. Then I come back to home and prepare myself to go for gym. I do exercise for 2 hours. Then I come back and enjoy a healthy breakfast. Then I prepared myself to go for work. I leave at 9 a.m. for work. I am doing sales. I am sales executive in a Honda showroom. After work, I go to Rise Academy to learn proficiency in English. After Rise Academy, I come back to home and have a dinner and spend my quality time with my family. Before going to sleep, I revised everything but I have studied in a class. Thank you so much. That's about my daily routine. I hope you like it. This type of daily routine is given when the interviewer asked. Then teacher taught us about many vocabularies. The first one is tranquility, which means beautiful place, which used for peaceful place. Then serene place, which used for beautiful place. And picturesque, used for old building and interesting place or temple, etc. And then fascinating thing, extremely interesting and charming. Then indolent, which means lazy, and seventh cloud, which means completely satisfied or and or and stay and having a place that you are very happy and pleased. And the determinant, which means worst, bekar. Indolent means lazy, and many other words are taught by my teacher. I forgot. And this is my second day of practicing spoken English. I am here not to get views, not to get subscribers. I am here to just enhance my spoken English. I don't care if I get views or not. I don't care if I get subscribers or not. The most important thing is matter to me is I post video on a daily basis, and I promise myself that I will post video on a daily basis. And I am saying whatever came in my mind. I didn't prepare anything. And teacher taught us I am on my roof. I always sleep on roof because in night the wave is very cold, the air is very cold, and no hot at the night time on the roof. I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I go to gym. I don't know what to speak, but I need to speak for 10 minutes on a daily basis. The think of process is not working when I think about to speak, and I literally don't know what to speak. And when I say I speak whatever comes in my mind, the exactly it means next sentence is not coming in my mind. And I have low confidence to speak. I have low thinking process, and I am not that type of person who speak very well English. I want to learn English because I want to do something in my life, because I don't have any choice. I am not an intelligent person who studies a lot, who studied like Ranchor Das Chanjar. I am that of type person below average type person who don't want to study, but I I want to learn English, because when I learn to speak English fluently with confidence, I can do something in my life. And in India, you know that if any person who can speak very well, who can speak English very well, they think that he is an educated person. In India, if on another side, if any other person who done many studies in their life but don't know how to speak English, so Indians think that this person has no knowledge. Indians think that those who can speak English fluently, he is very educated and intelligent man. That's why I learned spoken English and joined academy to learn. I know I did many mistakes while speaking. My pronunciation is not perfect. Even I know how to pronounce pronoun, how to pronunciation. I don't know, but still I posted this video because I know. Not in one day, but in one day. Not today, not tomorrow, but one day I will speak English fluently. So I completed 9 minutes of spoken English. Now 1 minute is left. So in the last 30 seconds, I want to tell you that I am very low, I don't know what to say. I want to say that I am very low educated person. I don't want to study, but I want to learn English, because I told already why I learned to speak. So now 10 minutes is completed. I know this is very bad video of my spoken English and it have lot of mistakes. I need to improve it.